Good morning mga Kawais Pinoy. So it's a time of the year where we need to renew our accreditation sa IMG. So yan po. If you haven't renewed, pag login ninyo sa portal ninyo, you will see this one. Ayan, activate your 2026 accreditation. So, para yung lahat ng ating membership benefits ay ma-maximize natin, of course. Kasi pag hindi po tayo nagre-renew, of course, hindi natin magagamit yung mga benefits natin. And for OFWs like me, no, so yung ating pagta-top up sa Solivo natin, yung ating mutual fund, yung ating Neuracash, yung anong tawag dito, yung mga kikinikita natin if we have business, we're doing the business. So papasok yan sa Neuracash account ninyo. So, kung hindi, wala kayong commission pag hindi kayo nagre-renew. And then, yung sa Kaiser natin, yan, may mga link yan. So, yung Fidelity Life, yung Everest, so, yung mga Manila Bankers benefits natin, naka grayscale yan kasi hindi activated yung account natin. But once we have activated na ulit for the next year, so, yung Fidelity Life, yan yung 50,000 worth ng mga kumbaga pampalibing, no, and then yung benefit ng Everest at saka iba pang mga benefits natin. So let's renew na. Ayan, click na natin yan. So make sure your coverage is 2026, your agent code, so dapat alam niyo yung agent code ninyo. If you forgot about your agent code, ask your sponsors. Okay? Ayan. So, 1.5 lang naman po yan. Napakadami ng benefit. For OFWs, 500,000 ang personal accident insurance natin. So, we don't want to use it, pero it's better na we are always covered. Okay? So, yan. Make sure that the applicable year is 2026. Then, press OK. And then your email address. So, and then I pay through, ayan, Neuracash ako. Kung kayo, BDO Bills Payment, pinakamabilis itong dalawang ito. Ask help from your sponsors or your coaches on how to pay your accreditation renewal. Ano po? Kasi yung iba matagal. Minsan sa Palawan nagkakamali pa. Credit card, may extra additional yan. Bank deposit, medyo matagal yan. Okay? So, the best is Neuracash or BDO Bills Payment. So, since I have Neuracash pa, ayan, so I will pay. And then, you make sure your email address is correct, your country. So, lalagyan nyo lang yan ng mga details ninyo kung ano po ang kailangan ninyong mga details. Okay? So, ako nilalagay ko kahit taga Singapore ang code ko, ito naman ay address ko lang sa Batangas. Alright, so submit. So this is your payment instruction. Okay, so ito na yung mahalaga, your name, your EPA reference number, at saka syempre yung price and the deadline. So hindi mo na pwedeng gamitin yung reference number once the deadline is done. So, go to Neuracash. So, sa akin, open na siya. And then, you go to Bills Payment. Pag Neuracash ang gagamitin nyo, go to Bills Payment and then add. Alright, so you put the subscriber name. In this case, of course, it's mine. And then, for the ePay reference, no, malakas ang loob ko kasi hindi naman yung magagamit yung reference number. So, iba-iba po ang reference number natin sa bawat transaction. So, yun yung unique. And then send, and then you will be asked for OTP. Okay? So, bakit ganon? Invalid user. So, let's log out first. Okay, so ganon. Login lang ulit. Kasi minsan matagal nang naka-login, no? Ayan, may prutas na kami. New Year na. Okay, so bills payment again. Add yung amount, yung So, ganun lang ulit, no? Wag kayo magpapanik when you have an error. You try to log in again para maayos lang kasi wala namang issue yan. Okay? So, anong field? Wala pala akong biller name. International Marketing Group. Send. So, you will be asked for OTP and whichever na email naman ninyo, so, doon yung kukunin yung OTP ninyo. Okay? So, yung OTP, nakuha ko na doon sa email address ko. And, iba-iba din ang OTP. Hindi pwede tayo magkopyahan. So, there, makikita ninyo yung Rachel Perez, yun yung 1.5 na binayad ko. And so, yan yung binayad natin sa Neuracash. Okay. I hope you guys understood and I hope this will help everyone. Thank you. Happy New Year. Blessings and prosperity for everyone. May nagbabasag na dito. Pag nabayaran to and nagpumasok yung payment, your accreditation should be valid until 2026, no? So, ma-update later. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.